Welcome to Strategy Profit, a go-to destination for all your financial education needs. I'm Lester, and today we have an exciting and comprehensive guide for you on a topic that's on everyone's mind: making money through trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to sharpen your skills or a complete beginner eager to explore the world of trading, this video is tailor-made for you. We're going to dive deep into the strategies, tools, and mindset you need to succeed in the world of trading. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our valuable content. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also looking to make money from trading. Sharing is caring after all. So without further ado, let's embark on this journey to learn how to make money from trading. Whether you're into stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, binary options, or any other trading instrument, we've got you covered. Stay tuned and let's get started. First, we have to set the 10-second candle, then apply the moving average indicator. The period is 20. We also have to install WNA. You can adjust the color and thickness of the lines yourself to suit your comfort when trading. And then we add another second moving average indicator. We change this time period to 50. Then we apply WMA again, and the color here, I will choose red like this. The next indicator is the awesome oscillator indicator. Here, I just changed the short period to 6 like this. And for those of you who want to trade on the Quotex platform, please check the description link below. Here is the last process that you need to know too. Here we have to choose from the best currency pairs available at the moment. We also definitely have to consider whether or not to use this strategy when there is high volatility in currency pairs. The reason is because when something like that happens, this method may not work as well as it should. As you can see, this is a very good momentum for me to open a downward position. The reason I opened a down position, first here, I saw the candle from the awesome oscillator indicator. If I opened a downward position like now, you need to know that in this case, the awesome oscillator indicator must also be in a downward direction and its position must also increase, as you can see. Then I also saw a combination of moving average indicators between the blue and red lines crossing each other downwards like this. And as we can see together, the open position that I did seems to still be in a very good situation. And we also see the trend of the currency pair continuing to move down. Maybe in this video, I won't open too many positions like in my previous video. Here I only explain and give examples of the best moments in doing not the positions for this method. Okay, friends, I hope you like the method I shared and understand what I explained to all of you in this video. So if you like my video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the video. I hope your trading is successful. Thank you.